Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's video guys, we are going to be making Mama Bui's veggie rice recipe. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So guys, now let's get into the video. We're gonna start by dicing the bell peppers. Here I'm just using, let me say maybe 1/3 of bell pepper. So in this recipe, we will be using onions, carrots, and bell peppers. We're gonna also add rice seasoning mix. Kindly subscribe to my daughter's channel at Happy Mancha Traveler. I'll leave the link down below guys, or you can check her on Instagram at Happy Mancha Vlogs. Let's take it to 10,000, my honeys. Next, we're gonna dice the onion. The last thing we're gonna do is to grate the carrots, then set aside. Next, rinse the rice in cold water until the water runs clear. Next, in a medium-sized pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil, add olive oil. Then we're gonna add the rice seasoning mix. Add rice. Now it's time to add the carrots, bell peppers, and onion. We're gonna also add in salt. Cover the pot and let it simmer for 18 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and let the rice sit covered for 5 minutes. During this time, the rice will steam for extra fluffy results. After 5 minutes, fluff the rice with a fork and serve. There you have it guys. Easy, simple veggie rice recipe. I hope you'll try this recipe. Let us know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.